Alright guys, we're going to try the Convergence. This is from Power Hobby. Again, they still got some left in stock, guys. Give them a call. Or get on powerhobby.com. They still got some left in stock. They're about the only ones. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait a couple months. But we're going to try this one, and this time we're going to tip the motors and see what goes. Alright, got the FPV going, and not doing it with the goggles. Got the monitor over there with the camera on it, so you'll get to see what's going on. Alright, thanks. Hold tight and wish me luck. I'm a little nervous with this one too. And we are rolling. Yep. The idea, I'm going to bring it out that way, bring it back, and then I'm going to do the conversion out in the, so it's coming this way. Sorry about the sun there. Want to get it up high enough. All right, here goes nothing, guys. Almost lost it there for a second. This thing flies amazing. Try to get it down here. We are in airplane mode right now, guys. Now you have to use rudder really to turn this thing right. And you cannot go dead stick with this. I'm trying to get it to come down a little bit, guys. I want to make sure I keep some throttle. As I've been finding out, it's a whole different bird to fly if you cut throttle on it. This is pretty cool, guys. It works. Flies pretty nice, really. It flies like the on the simulator I was practicing with the Hobby Zone Delta Ray, I believe it's called. Okay, it's kind of slow flight there now. And you do have to use the rudder a little bit if you want it to not be so tippy. About 2 minutes and 21 seconds into the flight now. It's fast. Wide open throttle, it is definitely fast, guys. And we're getting quite a wind going here. The flag's straight out and it's pushing me a little bit. All right, I'm going to come back into the wind and put it back into, get it up a little bit. And we're going to put it back into, see how far it takes to do it. Okay, kind of cool. It has a little bit of momentum and we're going into the wind. And you have to land this one like a drone, guys. Otherwise you bust props, you bust the motors and stuff, I guess.
Land it back on your cover. Yep.
I've just been challenged to land this back on the cover. Ordinarily, I could do this with just about any drone, but it's when I'm trying, right? The wind's playing with hell with me now. Well, close enough. The wind kicked up. I just couldn't do it all of a sudden. But good flight with this thing, huh? What's
you get
that?
A penny because you missed it. I was going to give you a shiny new nickel.
I want the nickel.
Oh no, you got to put it on the cone.
Well, next time. What do I get for having the balls to try that thing today, huh?
You just get everybody's views.
Thanks to Power Hobby, guys. Again, powerhobby.com. They still got them in stock. This thing works. It's great. I got it from them, so they're good chance that they're all from the same lot, dudes. Check them out. This is Skip signing out. I bet I still got juice on this too. All right, I want my nickel.
Gosh,
here's your damn penny. Well, I'll give you a penny back. It's change.
You got 6 cents now.
6 cents. I've got 6 cents. Jolly, jolly, 6 cents.
If anybody wants to send me $1, ship it to.
Yeah, I've already been trying for the nickel tour on my stuff, and I've only got 2 takers so far that said they'd send it if it didn't cost too much in postage. Thanks for watching, guys.
I'll take $1.
Cool plane, man. This thing actually flew great, Warnie. Really flew awesome. It was.
I know, it sounded pretty cool when
yeah.
you popped it back in the hover mode.
It wants to stay up in the air too, which is kind of nice. You don't have to really worry about it diving down on you. So, and it takes that 60 seconds or a few seconds, 10 to 15 seconds to transition and get moving to make sure. So you could do it from a stop. I kind of did it while I was moving a little bit just to make sure. So awesome, guys. Let's see what's next. Crash Test Boys on a Sunday, beautiful Sunday, middle of February. It's about 65, 66, 67 degrees. Just a gentle breeze instead of all the nasty stuff lately. Ciao for now.
Yeah, let's all put our plates up together.